Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. The new video. Bittorrent right now minus 4.51% in red, green candle. And you're probably thinking, why am I coming to this channel, man? This guy only saying like bullish, but it's just going down. And I'm gonna say to you today, it's bullish, real bullish. So that said, we got something called daily altcoins video. Yeah, we are ranking 30 coins up and down, what's good, what's not, what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's done pumping, what's going through consolidation and stuff like that, good buys, bad buys, talking about technical analysis. So if you got some trouble picking out coins, that might be something for you, so check out the Patreon link down below. That said, check out the Telegram link as well, join the community. We have like 3,500 members right now. Yesterday we had like 3,300 members, so you're pumping those numbers, so it would be nice if you could join us. That said, let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening. And why am I saying bullish? Well, because we actually technically been bullish ever since over here. Now in this part over here, once we actually popped the cherry up here and started going down, we were hoping that we might actually come up here, right? And on this candle here, this candle, we actually managed to get some bullishness back, so we are pretty bullish, and this actually told me that people want the price to go up. There is enough buying power, they want to go up, but it's being manipulated on the downside. You can see here, and once we crossed this 20 moving average down here, we never got back above it again. Over here, we got above it, but right back down, above it, down again. Actually, we didn't get above it until we got down here, but here we are already super bullish because of the dump. Remember the dump, the Bitcoin dump, the big 46 dump, when this happened, and this candle up here, do you remember this candle? This was insane buying. Let me just draw it very nicely around it. There we go. Ah, yeah, that's nice. This candle over here, this candle was told me that we are super bullish on BitTorrent, because we went all the way down, and look how much we bought right back up again. Like, that's insane. That was how much from bottom to top, 70% up, right up. Like, people just went crazy, like buy. And after that, there is no all of the leveraged longs were actually wiped out. All of the weekends that wanted to sell sold. So there is no more selling pressure, because everybody that wants to sell sold. Everybody that was a leveraged long was long. Now that what's happening now is they are FOMOing back in as the price starts moving higher. Even up here they are FOMOing in as like crazy. But then big hands were probably still selling and pushing the price down. Now there is some kind of support we're having on this 50 moving average. You can see here right now we are actually getting the same support on the 50 moving average. We don't want to break the 50 moving average. That will be bad. I'm gonna admit it, if we break the 50 moving average, that is kind of bad. Yesterday still bullish, even though we are going down and correcting this big pump that actually happened. We managed to go all the way down to the 50 moving average with the wick, and now pull back yesterday all the way above the 10 and 20 moving average. 10 and 20, that's the white and red line. This is also a bullish sign when you can manage to get a back above the certain moving averages. Today we are dumping, but we are only dumping exactly on the line, on the 20 moving, exactly on the dollar to the 20 moving average. So I'm already thinking this is actually bottom, and the rest of the day we might actually pick up and get back above the 10 and 20 moving average. Now if you do that, it's all nice and dandy, and there is no problem in paradise, right? We were almost about to get this bullish cross up here, never came. Still looking for the bullish cross that's gonna come. The RSI is still sitting as it should be sitting, and the most important thing right now, because today is Monday, that means yesterday was Sunday, it has to mean weekly closed yesterday, and I want to see that. I want to see how it actually was doing. So this candle actually closed yesterday, and it closed very close down to this 10 moving average, and now you can see that this 10 moving average is coming back towards the price right now, sitting the price is almost sitting on the 10 moving average. Technically we can fall all the way down to 0.0063, but if we do that, it will be something with a wick like over here, and we will just climb right back above it again. But right now technically we are sitting on the 10 moving average. We are ready for the move up. The RSI, our rubber band index, is sitting at some very nice levels of 66, 67. Technically on the weekly time frame right now we are looking super bullish and super nice. So the only thing that we have to do is start climbing slowly, and this is gonna be fine, because we already hit bottom. We are already hitting 50 moving average on the daily time frame, and we are looking to bounce off here. I'm telling you guys, this level of resistance 0.079, that actually you can see here, once we had this big wick all the way up here, big wick all the way, wait, let me do it like this, big wick all the way up here, all the way to the top up here, and then went all the way back down again below the line, below the 0.079 line. That was kind of bearish, and it told us that okay, you are not quite ready to break the important resistance. But once we do break the important resistance, it's gonna be glorious. It's gonna be glorious. But right now we are actually holding down on the 50 moving average, and we might actually just go something like you know, sideways, and then go with the flow. So I'm guessing like maybe a couple of more days or something like that, until, because there is no more ways we can go down. We can still go down to the line and test the support with the wick or something like that, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think that's gonna happen. I think this 50 moving average will hold and will continue going up. Now that's assumption. You have to always understand there is always a probability to go down. Now the probability to go down is not that high. The bigger probability is to go up, but there is always a probability to go down as well. That said, I am super bullish on Bittorrent right now. Bittorrent is big thing in the community. Everybody's talking about it, like everywhere I'm turning around, like people wants this to go up. So I'm thinking it is gonna go up sooner or later, as soon as whoever is manipulating the price is done manipulating the price. This is gonna start pumping. This is gonna start pumping hard. The thing I want to see today is this can get back above the 10 and 20 moving average. It doesn't have to. It can close all the way down here, but then tomorrow's candle has to get right back up above it. So the faster we get back above the 10 and 20 moving average, the better. That said, come back tomorrow and see actually what's actually happened on the video. So subscribe to the channel, join us tomorrow. We're doing Bittorrent every single day over here on this channel. Also check out the links below for Patreon if you need some help picking the coins, or you want to join the party on the Telegram. Right now 3,500 members. It's growing fast. It's growing fast. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for watching, because, and especially watching the entire video, because you know, likes and subscriptions and all of that shebang, comments, they are nice. They help the channel, and I appreciate that, you know, because YouTube algorithm. But watching the channel, watching the video all the way through, that's like the biggest thing you can give me, and thank you for that. See you around. Bye bye.